Next up is the drink I think most of you have been waiting for. It is, of course, our London Cocktail Club style Pornstar Martini. It is by far and away the biggest selling drink throughout my bars. I'm gonna start by adding 35 mils of Finlandia vodka to 15 mils of passion fruit. We blend the passion fruit liqueur with 20 mils passion fruit syrup. It's slightly more sour but full of flavor. This is where it goes a little bit a twist of the original recipe. I'm going to be adding 20 mils of apple juice. That's just going to add a bit more body than maybe the classic. Of course, vanilla sugar. 15 mil into there finishes this drink off just perfectly. 15, 15, 20, 20, 35. A really basic mix of ingredients that are going to make one of the most famous drinks of our generation. Adding ice, it needs a good shake. With a quick taste, that's the Pornstar. For some reason, that blend of vanilla and passion fruit has gone down in history and overwhelmed all of us here in London. Now I'm going to fine strain that into my martini glass and garnish with half a passion fruit husk, pip still in. Now on the side, 20 mils champagne or Prosecco, aka the money shot. If the drink's slightly too sweet, have a little sip of the Prosecco. Again, if you like it just as it is, see the Prosecco off and sit back. Enjoy your Pornstar Martini. Good luck mixing this one at home. I hope it goes well.